In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Steam Market restriction. First, make sure you have SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator open the Steam app and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Next, open Steam on your computer, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. Go to the Security section and check your SteamGuard status. If the SteamGuard icon is green, it means the SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator is enabled. This helps protect your account and satisfies one of the requirements for using the Steam Community Market without the additional 15-day trade hold. If the icon is yellow, SteamGuard is enabled through email. In this case, certain restrictions may still apply, and you may need to wait before trading or using the market. If the icon is red, SteamGuard is not enabled. Your account has less protection, and you'll need to enable SteamGuard before you can meet Steam's security requirements. Keep in mind that enabling SteamGuard alone does not instantly remove all market restrictions. Depending on your account status, you may also need to meet other Steam requirements, such as having a valid purchase on your account and waiting for the required security period after enabling the mobile authenticator. Once all of Steam's requirements have been met, your market restrictions will be removed automatically. And that's how you can remove the Steam Market restriction.